just to be exact, there's already a 283 who signed the manifesto. So that's an overwhelming majority in the support of House Speaker Martin Romualdez.
Are we expecting the 40-plus representatives elect to support the speakership of Speaker Martin Romualdez in the 20th?
They have already, we have already secured, I guess, 200 plus signatures, manifesto of support for the current speaker, Speaker Martin Romualdez, should the 20th Congress starts na they have already been there is already a support, an overwhelming support in terms of the speaker should he decides again to run for the speakership. Meron na pong 200 plus na signatures na nagsasabing sumusuporta sila sa ating speaker sa ngayon, because may kasabihan nga, if it's broken, why fix it, diba? So sustainably and yung stability na pinakita ng leadership ni Speaker Romualdez, doon yung source of support na pinanggagalingan ng bawat individual na congressman na 200 plus na lumagda para ipakita ang kanilang suporta sa current speaker na to na maging speaker in the 20th Congress.
May we also ask your reaction sa statement ni Deputy Speaker Duke Frasco? He stated in his social media post, I quote, "If the election for Speaker were held today, my support would go to either Congressman Toby Chanco or Congressman Albi Benitez."
Well, that's his, he's entitled to his opinion. He's entitled to cast his vote to whomever he feels, for him fitting to the position. Wala naman pong nagpupuwersa sa bawat isa sa amin na bumoto. In fact, that actually is a manifestation. There is no, that when it comes to election of the speakership, wala pong sapilitan dito sa House. That the election and the vote of each individual congressman will be entirely up to his or her own discretion. Nagpapakita lang ito na wala pong sapilitan dito, at yung 200 plus na congressmen na nag-sign dun sa manifesto ay voluntarily and consciously supporting the speaker, Martin Romualdez. So sa kanya pong palagay yun, nirespeto naman po natin ang opinion niya.
Ma'am, just my 2 cents. At the end of the day, Congress is a collegial body. Each vote, each decision by each House member is given weight and importance. Just to be exact, there's already a 283 who signed the manifesto. So that's an overwhelming majority in the support of House Speaker Martin Romualdez. And only time will tell. But this manifesto shows a strong support that the leadership of Speaker Martin is supported by the majority of the House members and the incoming members for the 20th Congress.
Sorry, kasi yung nabigay na unang bilang sa amin, 285. May nabawas po bang dalawa?
No, actually, yung signed, but there's 287 already who expressed their support. It's more of hindi pa lang sila physically signed, but 287 total expressed their support, and then 283 who physically signed the manifesto.
So as of now, there's no strong contender.
With the numbers that's presented in front of us, parang malabo, ma'am. I think the leadership of House Speaker kasi is supported really by the majority of the present and incoming members of the House.